stores can you do the shopping cart trick with? So if you're looking to do the shopping cart trick, there is multiple stores you can do the shopping cart trick with. Don't forget, I told you, you're a part of exclusive membership. You know, if you're watching it on YouTube, because I chopped it up and put it on YouTube, then everybody that's a part of my exclusive membership gets something called my master credit card list, or you can buy the master credit card list too. But you'll see all of the credit cards that you can do the shopping cart trick with. So what I want you to do is just go ahead and look at the master credit card list. A few credit cards that's like so easy. I always tell people to try to get these credit cards. It's Express. Express is a very easy credit card you should be able to get. Victoria's Secrets, you can try that one. You can try Overstock. You can try the Good Sam Visa, or just the Good Sam credit card in general, and that's going to be with Camping World. You can try the Lane Bryant, you can try the Venus. You know, it's multiple cards out there you can try, but definitely go ahead and get the shopping cart trick. You can get that alone, you know, if you watch on YouTube. But if you're part of my exclusive membership, look on the master credit card list, and you will see all of those credit cards. It's already free for you just because you can't remember.